Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
As part of efforts to create a peaceful ambience for development to thrive in the Niger Delta, the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs has organized a one-day summit on peace building and conflict resolution in AKUGHA West local government area of Abia State. Correspondent Chika Botize reports that top officials of the ministry used the opportunity to interact closely with the people on how to accelerate the pace of development in the Niger Delta.
The Enlightenment Program was in place to build capacity for peace advocacy and effective security management in the Niger Delta. It was also in furtherance of the objective of the Niger Delta Ministry to create a peaceful atmosphere conducive for meaningful development in Nigeria's oil-rich region.
The essence of our gathering here is to brainstorm and engage in strategic dialogue in order to harmonize the activities of various stakeholders and with a goal to sustain the prevalent serenity in the state.
Although the establishment and implementation of a presidential amnesty program has addressed insurgency in the Niger Delta, the region is still rife with tension, no thanks to the activities of oil thieves and sea pirates operating in the region. Minister of State for Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Omotayo Alashodura, believes that lasting peace can be restored in the Niger Delta through the collective efforts of government, the communities, and other stakeholders in peace building.
Transformation of the Niger Delta cannot be single-handedly achieved by any organization, individual, institution, or agency. There is need for collaboration and synergy. And to this end, the ministry will implement programs to harmonize the existing Niger Delta action plan of the ministry and the Niger Delta mandate of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) into a single development agenda through a process that will ensure robust participation of our people as a priority area in the year 2020.
Senator Alashodura commended communities in AKUGHA West local government area who, despite their oil-producing status, have remained peaceful over the years.
I'm very delighted to note that the people of Abia State have opted to toe the line of peace in all they are doing. Of particular interest is the peace-loving people of AKUGHA West local government area, who, in spite of being a host community and usually associated with militancy and agitation, has consistently tread the path of dialogue to press for their demands.
The just concluded peace building and conflict management program in AKUGHA West local government area of Abia State is a deliberate policy of the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs to engage oil-producing communities across the 9 states of the Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta,